Hola desde Barcelona, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching GadgetMatch. 4 years ago, ASUS introduced the original Zenfone. It came in 3 models named after their respective screen sizes. One of them, the Zenfone 5, makes a comeback this year here at Mobile World Congress. This is our ASUS Zenfone 5 first look. On the outside, the Zenfone 5 looks distinctly like an ASUS phone, but updated for 2018. It's made of premium materials, a glass back with ASUS's trademark concentric circle design, and up front, an edge-to-edge display with a unique 19:9 aspect ratio. In the hands, it's wider than most borderless smartphones. The phone is sized like a 5.5-inch phone with a display that's 6.2 inches. Up top, there's an iPhone-like notch, but smaller, a cutout for the earpiece and selfie camera. And on the bottom, a tiny chin is still there to help users adjust to the edge-to-edge design. ASUS tells GadgetMatch this overhaul was made based on what users want, a bigger display without sacrificing ergonomics. Notice also that there is no physical home button and capacitive keys. Instead, you get on-screen buttons. We also like how the display itself has rounded corners. It gives the phone a softer, more modern feel. Initial impressions? It feels like the Zenfone 4 from last year got a massive redesign to bring it more at par with the current flagships. On the back of the phone, you'll find a dual camera in vertical orientation, also similar to a popular Fruity phone. Unlike last year, the camera on the Zenfone 5 protrudes from the phone quite a bit. There's also a fingerprint sensor. And if that's not your cup of tea, Face Unlock is also available as an option for unlocking your phone. Button and port placements are like this: SIM card tray on the left, power button and volume rocker on the right, and headphone jack, USB-C, microphone, and speaker grills on the bottom. Speaking of speakers, the Zenfone 5 has stereo speakers, with sound coming out from the earpiece and the speaker grills for rich stereo surround sound. ASUS has dubbed the Zenfone 5 the most intelligent Zenfone ever, and at its core, artificial intelligence. The phone runs on Snapdragon 636 system on a chip with its neural processing engine activated. We're not 100% sure how much of this is really AI and how much is just software, but here are more examples from our briefing. Its display adjusts temperature based on lighting conditions. Ringtone volume adjusts based on how quiet or noisy your current environment. Then there's intelligent charging that learns your sleep habits so the phone can reduce heat in the background while you're in dreamland. And there's AI Boost, which optimizes your Android experience. Turning it on will drain the Zenfone 5's battery faster, but unlike on other smartphones, this is completely optional. But the best example of AI in action on the Zenfone 5 is photography. The phone can detect 16 different types of scenes or objects: sunset, food, dog, flower, text, and portrait. With AI, the camera tweaks color saturation, white balance, and dynamic range. And over time, it will adjust the way it processes your image based on how you like them. And that was our ASUS Zenfone 5 first look. We promise a more exhaustive hands-on once we get our hands on an actual retail unit. Until then, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, follow GadgetMatch on social media, and make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, from here in Barcelona, Spain, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.